chicken. Si ate, hindi naman ako oily.
Lala kami kasi weekends, you know.
Yes.
Ayun, bibili. Hindi kailangan. Ang daming bibilin mo.
Chatting in a coffee shop, sitting by the windowsill,
Yellow.
walking down 8th Avenue with you. Our fingers touching the light, you pull back blush and delight. Call me when you get back home. Meet me at Manhattan Henge, meet me under Columbus Circle.
Ano masasabi mo sa
I'll be waiting there for you. Meet me when the stars align. Meet me when the earth divides. I'll be waiting there for you. Cotton candy clouds reflected in your eyes. Merry-go-rounds in my heart, illuminated by flashing signs. You take my hand and you pull me inside. When did everyone else disappear? Meet me at Manhattan Henge, meet me under Columbus Circle. I'll be waiting there for you. Meet me when the stars align. Meet me when the earth divides. I'll be waiting there for you.
Naingit yung isa.
Share your blessings.
Share your blessing.
Babaliktad yan, babaliktad.
Manhattan Henge, meet me under Columbus Circle. I'll be waiting there for you. Meet me when the stars align. Meet me when the earth divides. I'll be waiting there for you. Chatting in a coffee shop, sitting by the windowsill, walking down 8th Avenue with you.
I think I like this little life. Sabihin mo.
I think I like this little life.
I think I like this little life.
Ay, babe, po ka dito.
Ay, malabo siya. Ayan. Ako nga din.
How would you have me describe with light, with words you think that I like? If I found out that I could fight, would I take you out tonight? A little bit more, a little bit less, a little bit harder than I thought. They said a little bit fine, a little bit stressed, a little bit older than I thought I'd get. But I think I like this little life. This little life. I think I like this little life. This silly little life.